Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you know, late, a while ago, not like a while, it was a while ago today that it was like in the morning and I was in my pajamas, don't trust my pajamas, I like them kinda. And I showed you some of my signs, and I had to do a part 2, so here it is, and it's still the same day. My bed's still messy. Don't judge me. So, we ended on floor. Alright, so we did those. Alright, next I'm not real goat cheese, guys. Look inside there. It's foam bead slime. I'm actually a really big fan of this one. If it was the only slime I had, it had been my favorite. I should have done rating. Alright, I'm going to start rating right now. This is 1 out of 10. How good is this one to myself? I personally think that this one is a 9 out of 10. The reason I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is missing this one thing that's kind of bugging me, but it's not the most important thing, so it still gets a really high rating. It's because the thing isn't necessarily white anymore. It's getting kind of dirty. It's getting kind of cream, which is kind of bugging me, but girl, you know, yeah, kind of bugs me, but honestly, without that, that would be probably one of my favorite slimes, and this is one of my favorite slimes. Oh, it got in my hair a little bit. Yeah, my dog, update on my dog, he's doing really good. He's eating, he did pee in the house, great. So, we have a click and treat. We did click and treat. He didn't get a click or a treat because he went inside, not on his potty pad. Otherwise, he did. If he did, and I think we would give him a treat. But once he's fully trained, we'll know. How you'll know if your dog's fully trained for bathroom is when he or she has to go to the bathroom, they'll go up to the door and whine, or like kind of scratch on the window or something, or go to the door that they know what door you bring them out on, so they're like scratching or something. Then you'll know. Now my phone's all the way over there. All right, well, no, let's try this one. Yeah, this one is my next foam bead slime. We named some of these. This one is what is it called? Bubblegum cherry ice cream, I think it called it. Bubblegum cherry ice cream. Cherry bubblegum ice cream. Something like that. But honestly, I give it a 6 out of 10 because it's kind of sticky. I'm not a big fan of red. It's a darker version of pink. I like dark pink, but I honestly am not a big fan of red. So, alright. Let's put this away and go to the next one. Alright, next one. Did you hear how that sizzling is a fluffy slime? This one is a light purple slime. I give this one a 7 out of 10. because I really, really love this like blue purple color. And it has really good pops. It's really cool looking. But the only flaw, actually I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I think I gave it a 9 out of 10 because it's a really nice slime. Fluffy slimes are one of my favorite slimes. It goes butter fluffy, and then whatever. Our glitter slimes are my least favorite slimes because glitter on you, unless they don't get glitter on you, then I'm okay with them. Yeah, so this one gets a 9 out of 10 because it does rip a little bit. It has a little bit on the rippy side, as you can tell. See? Yeah. But that's not, it's honestly not that bad. I give it a 9 out of 10. Alright, next slime. Alright. Alright. I want to make sure it's all the way on. Alright. Next up, we have this one. Did I actually hit my hand? Ow. Yeah, my dad's doing really good right now. He's napping. I just poked it. Alright, this is a butter slime. I have 2 butter slimes and I'm about to show you. This one's not, I don't like it as well because it rips more. This one's really thick. Thick boy. I don't even know what that means. I don't know what anything means. Alright, I'm going to roll it into a ball and see if it's bouncy. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. ASMR. Okay. Alright, I might have to do a part 3. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna try and speed this up more. Okay, next time. Bottom. Alright, next one is another butter slime that I like a little bit better. Because it's kind of more, I don't know what makes it better, but I honestly just like, I feel like this one would be more bouncy. Let's test it out. She scoots and she, I don't make sense. She's going for it. She's going for it. She shoots and she scores. Alright, I'm gonna be done. Alright. Yeah, that's that one. Alright. That one's gonna be next after the one that I'm about to do. Oh yeah, that one. The one that I did before the one that I just did was probably 6 out of 10. And the next one that I did was probably a 5 out of 10. Alright, next one. Butter thick. Butter thick. Alright, this one has a name for it. And its name is Marshmallow Fluff. Because honestly, look how fluffy it is. Alright, we gotta do my last 2 slimes in. Alright, I gotta. Alright. This is my last one. Not my last one, but this one's a blue fluffy slime. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. Alright, last slime. This one is a store-bought slime, and it's, oh my gosh, I haven't felt this one in so long, it feels like. Oh, it's a little bit rippy, but it feels so cool. Alright. Yep, this is this glittery pink, hot pink slime. Alright, so that is all for you today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also comment down what slime was your favorite. Just kidding, don't do that. Yeah. Alright, so that was my time showing you my slime. So, yeah. Bye, guys.